Hey, it's Beatle J here. Beatles for Sale is the fourth studio album by the Beatles. It was released on December 4th, 1964 in the UK on the Parlophone label. Eight of the album's tracks would also appear on the Capitol Records release, Beatles 1965, or Beatles 65, pardon me, which is an album that would only be issued in North America. Beatles for Sale is a departure from the kind of happy mop-top sound of previous Beatles songs, and a much darker mood with songs such as No Reply and I'm a Loser. Eight original tracks and four covers, and the covers were of Carl Perkins, Chuck Berry, Buddy Holly, and Little Richard. The recording sessions from this particular album yield the single I Feel Fine, backed by She's a Woman. Beatles for Sale held the #1 spot for 11 of the 46 weeks that it spent on the top 20 in the UK. The album was successful in Australia, where the band's cover of Chuck Berry's Rock and Roll Music topped the singles charts. Beatles for Sale was not released in the US until 1987. And what I have here is a mono copy, and I picked this up, it was last fall. It's got a laminated cover, and this is an actual issue from 1964. It's a gatefold album, and the photograph on the back, I've seen this before. There is, I believe, a German pressing of the greatest Beatles' greatest hits on Odeon Records, where you see this on the front cover. And just to show you the somewhere. It's the yellow Parlophone label, and some dickhead had put Johnny's Records on it or something with on a little label. So I tried to tear it off, but I wrecked the label. And I got this particular record at the Cordes Flea Market, and it is a UK pressing, and I think it was Jack was the guy who was selling it, and he wanted $75 for it, and I got him down to 25. So for a vintage record, I'm fairly happy with that. And I still haven't had a chance to listen to it. I know all the tracks, but I'm going to have to spin it one day. But the vinyl's in nice shape, and that's a little bit of history of Beatles for Sale. Yeah.